Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do something we're going to start doing more of. You guys are getting a pretty good idea of a lot of things, and you are learning a lot and asking a lot of good questions. So I want to show you this. So, alright, let's look at this real fast. So what in the world is this? So REOS. So I'm going to show you this. Open module. So let's do Glob. So, we know this one. We know this one. But here's a new one. So if we start really looking into this, Glob is built upon these three. So there's, and you can see right here, so we're becoming pretty sophisticated. So why don't we just go to the source? So now that we've been learning more about regular expressions and we're getting a very good handle on OS, why don't we give a little bit of attention, and next in our little series we will start with fnmatch and just go to the source, because we don't need to work with Glob. We understand how it works. It's built upon these, so let's just go right here and deal with that. So that'll be the next group of module that we begin to look at. And these are, when you are getting very comfortable, that is exactly how you go to the module. And if you even looked really close, let's close this. So what? I clicked it, then clicked open module, and then there's the RE, regular expression module. So let's close that real fast. That's a ton. But these are the skills and the tools that are out there. So that's a little bit under the hood stuff, and just a little hint of where we're going. We'll be messing around with that one, really going to the source and really doing some cool stuff, because we're sophisticated enough. We don't need to deal with Glob. So as always, real quick video today, but as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments. I just can't tell you thank you enough. So please leave any questions or video requests below, and I'll get right to them, because it's not just for you. Somebody else has the same question. I've seen that over and over and over again. Whenever I've had a requested video, many more views than the videos I come up with. Over time, it may pay out, but in the short term, in the first few days when it gets published, many more views. So other people who are watching have the same questions you do. So please, if there's something you want to see, just ask and I'll get to it. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye.